Hi, my name is Jay Grams. My family has owned the Volo Auto Museum since 1960. We have a few hundred of the most exciting collector cars, and they're all for sale in one location. I personally have handpicked them from around the country. Welcome to my sales shop. Come on, let's go for a spin. When's the last time we've had a Mach 1? I know this past year we've sold a lot of cars, and I can count less than this many Mach 1s. A lot of Camaros, and I'm the guy that goes out and buys them. For whatever reason, these just aren't out there. And this one here is a documented Mach 1 428 car. It's a Q code 428, restored from the ground up. Go to volocars.com. You can read all the specs, study all the pictures. That's where you find price tags on over 200 collector cars that are all for sale at volocars.com. If you enjoyed the video, subscribe to our YouTube channel, click on that bell icon, and you'll be notified as the new ones are posted. But for right now, join me. Let's go for a spin. Yeah, the car is very nice. Underneath, very tidy. You can look at our pictures online. The floors and the frame rails all look really nice and clean. It looks like it has a real light, like chip guard paint on it. Very tidy. The front end looks like it's been all apart and rebuilt. All the components and bushings and ball joints all looks like it's been replaced. All the shocks look like they've been replaced. It has power steering, the power steering control valve and hoses and the ram. All that looks fairly new. I believe the rear springs are replaced. There's like part number stamps on them. So the suspension and steering has been gone through. It has an original style exhaust. It goes all the way out the back with the GT quad tips going out through the valance. Looking up at the motor, it's very clean. It has a brand new starter on it that was just put on. It has the heavy duty C6 automatic transmission, and it has 350 gears in the rear end. Color is gorgeous. Silver Jade. Beautiful color. It's unique. I just love it. I talked to the fellow that we got it from today and I asked him how it drove, and he didn't use it a lot. He's owned it a couple of years, but he did take it on a trip where he's doing 75 miles an hour for an hour, and no issues at all. Car always started for him. But what he did say is it drew a lot of attention. So I was just talking about how nice the color is, but he said this car is just like a magnet for compliments. The body is really straight. I was looking at it earlier this morning, looking down the sides. I mean, it is really straight. I don't see any waves or ripples. I didn't find any bubbles, no damage. Really nice, clean body. All the way up the pillars here. Everything fits square. The metal flake paint is laid out nicely, and the clear coat is polished real glossy. Has the Mach 1 decals all in real nice shape. These are reflective. You hit it with a flashlight at night or headlights from another car and they light up. Pretty darn good original glass. Got a couple light scratches. Got a rear spoiler. Got the stripe, the blacked out tail panel. The gas cap and bumper have been replaced. New, the guy just bought them, the Magnum 500 chrome wheels and these wide oval Firestone bias ply tires are actually radial tires. It's something they've come out recently, so it has the original look, but they're radials. All this trim looks to be good original. Nothing wrong with it other than a little light wear. It's got the blackout hood treatment. The turn signals on the back of the scoop work. I was just trying them. It has hood pins, front spoiler. This is all blacked out. The grill, bumper, everything there is real nice. Little imperfection right here in the paint and a couple other little ones, a few little chips. The engine bay is nice, clean metal. The seams are nice. Spot welds look good. Painted satin black. Under the hood, painted like the car. The bolts, fender bolts have been replaced. It is a 428 motor. It's got a nice clean coat of Ford blue. Powered by Ford valve covers. And it just looks stock. The alternator, brackets, pulleys, coil, everything looks stock, and everything's proper. The battery's bolted down. It has a shroud. It has dual horns. It has the washer bottle. Deluxe interior. It has the molded door panels in very nice shape. Couple little, not tears, but just little like bumps right there. The light works. High back seats. They've been reupholstered. New carpet on the floor, and it has the sewn in rubber floor mats. He also bought Lloyd's carpeted embroidered floor mats. Those are really nice, and he bought one for the trunk too. So trunk compartment's all clean. It has a nice gray spatter paint. It has the plaid Mustang mat, and then, like I said, it has the brand new embroidered carpet mat over that. He took the rim blow steering wheel off, and he put a really nice Shelby style steering wheel on there. It's new. The headliner was replaced, and it fits tight as a drum. Visors are new as well. It is the fold down back seat, the sport seat they call it, folds flat. Center console's original in nice shape. Has an AM/FM stereo. I just turned it on. It was working. Door jambs are very respectable. Weather strips are real good. Windshield's been replaced. Yeah, just a nice, tidy engine compartment. Proper. I don't know why we just haven't been coming up with the Mach 1s lately. See a lot of Camaros. Camaros are great, but you just don't see these. Side glass is nice, fits nice. Yeah, the jamb is real slick. The wood grain's real nice. It has a cover over the dash pad, a cap, and it fits really, really well. Door shuts nice. Has a space saver spare. I did not see a jack. The jamb is nice. Weather strip is replaced. Shuts nice. Interior lights look like they're working. So there you have it. Don't miss out on this one. I might not have another one for a while, especially a 428 car. Go to volocars.com. I just gave you my impression of this car. If you have concerns or questions, the salesman can help you. They can also get this delivered to your driveway. They can help you get it financed at volocars.com. If you enjoy the videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Click on the bell icon. You'll be notified as the new ones are posted. Thanks for watching.